Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete text messages and conversation in any Samsung device. If you're using any Samsung device and now you want to delete your text messages or any conversations, let's see how can you do that. You must have to open your messages app and here just select the conversation or the message which you want to delete. Let's say I'm going to delete message from this conversation, just tap on it. And here, you must have to keep a long press on the conversation or the text message which you want to delete. And I'm going to delete this one, just keep a long press on it. Then select the delete option from here, then tap on delete. It will delete the message, but you have to keep in mind that the message will be deleted just from your side. So after that, if you want to delete any conversation, just keep a long press on that conversation, then tap on this delete option, then tap on delete again. So it will delete the whole conversation from your message and your any sensing device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.